Hi guys, thank you so much guys for watching. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, in this video I will be showing you today how I make my homemade Unga scrub or Unga scrub or Unga, whatever way you wish to pronounce it, whether in Swahili or in Nyanja, whatever. Anyway, so I'm going to be showing you how I make my very own DIY Unga scrub, and if you're interested to see, please continue watching. Thank you so much guys. As you may see, I am about to take a shower, and because I'm about to take a shower, I thought, why not come here and show you guys what I do or what I use to exfoliate, which is very cheap and it is very much available in any home and within reach. So some call it maize flour, others Unga, I mean, it depends where you come from, right? We're all Africans, but then the thing is, we all have it and we all love it and we all eat it. But in this particular video, I'm going to be using Unga for exfoliating, and an exfoliant that will be good for your face and for your body. So without wasting much of your time guys, please join me next. So here we are guys. This is where I'll be showing you the ingredients and exactly what I do or use. So the first thing I'm going to do is use sugar. Yes, I will take some sugar, this much sugar, and add it to a bowl. Then, as you can see, this is Unga. I'll equally take, because this is for my body, so I want it to be enough. Okay, I won't add all of it. I'll add that much, and then I'll return the rest. Then I'll get turmeric. Yep. I'll add turmeric, that much. I'll use some cocoa butter. Some coconut oil. I'll use some coconut oil. I won't add much, so that much. Then I'm going to mix this in. Okay, let's hold. Because I didn't toss the oil in the microwave, or I didn't do the double boiling method, this is hot water. I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of hot water so that it can just melt out this. Yeah, just that much. You have to check the consistency of your paste or of your scrub. If you don't like the consistency, you can as well add some little bit. So I don't like the fact that it's a bit runny, so I'll add a little bit of Unga in it, just a little bit, to make it a little bit thick. Remember, you're going to be using this on your body as well as on your face. So this much. And then I'm done. This is just so simple, guys. This is just so simple. I could as well add in a little bit more of turmeric. Okay. You don't have to stress yourself. If you don't have the oil at home, just use some lukewarm water. Some lukewarm water would do. You don't have to have all the ingredients. As long as you have turmeric and as long as you have some sugar, and I know those are basic ingredients in a home, in each and every home. Let's just eat, guys. So, how I apply this. So guys, this is how I apply this scrub. Before I take a shower, I make sure that I like to apply it all over my face and my body. Then I let it be, like I let it stay on my face or my body before I rinse out for like at least 5 minutes before I rinse out, because it kind of acts as a moisturizer as well for the body, for the face. So I let it be like a mask. I let it stay a little bit, 5 minutes. I let it stay for 5 minutes because it acts as a mask as well. So as you can see, I have black spots. And so in order that these spots might be helped, or in order that and it will really brighten up my skin as well. So I'll be back after 5 minutes to show you how my skin looks. So guys, real quick, I have just taken my shower and now I'm back. This is how my skin looks. Let me move closer. So yeah, this is how my skin looks. This is the result of the exfoliant that I've just been using, the scrub. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, share it with your friends and tag me if you ever try out this scrub. Tag me and let's glow together. Tag me in your photos, tag me in the recipes, tag your friends, share it on your social media, and then follow me on Instagram. The link is down below. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel and click that notification button. Let's grow this family. I love you all. Thank you so much. Mwah. Have a blessed day.